This song is, it's a new song. It's called Cream on My Pancake. Warning, it's a controversial song. I played it to my music group and it just about started a scrap. But I give reference to Jacinda Ardern. She said, yep, that is what it is. So anyway, there's a link below with her in that video. So here's the song, Cream on My Pancake. I watched him go to work day after day. Mums and dads, they're still doing it today. Sadly, my friend died young, but he skipped the treadmill. Amen. You may disagree that we are not really free, but modern day slavery rubs with me. You're told what to do, you do what you do. Maybe you question why, or maybe just do and die, or maybe neither. Or perhaps you scope much wider. I lost my job to the mandate, cream on my pancake, stepped off the treadmill. I don't work for no bill no more. I lost my job to the mandate, cream on my pancake, stepped off the treadmill. I don't work for no bill no more. No more. I live in a world of rights and wrongs, with eyes that see black and white, light and dark, yes and no. You're with us or you're against us. I was passported, mandated, banned from entry, uninvited to dinner parties. Privilege is gone, but in man's world, familiar ground, life going round and round. I lost my job to the mandate, cream on my pancake, stepped off the treadmill. I don't work for no bill no more. I lost my job to the mandate, cream on my pancake, stepped off the treadmill. I don't work for no bill no more. No more. The gift horse, she came and went. Yep, that is what it is. The gift horse, she been done and gone. Yep, that is what it is. I give love to the change.